WhatsApp is giving group chats a major glow up, and now you can finally label your friends or frenemies exactly how you want. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. WhatsApp is testing a new feature that lets users add personalized tags to group members, making it easier to identify who's in the chaos of group chats. According to WA Beta Info, this beta feature allows you to assign a 30-character long tag to yourself or others, giving a clear snapshot of your role or your personality in the group. Whether it's a new group or one that's been around for years, this feature promises to make navigation simpler and more fun. The tag appears only in the group where it's assigned, and it doesn't carry over to other chats, keeping things organized and relevant. Adding a tag is simple. Just open the group chat on WhatsApp for Android, head to Chat Info, select your name, type your custom tag, and hit save. And instantly, your new identifier is visible to everyone in the group. A perfect mix of clarity and personality. Beta testers on Android are currently enjoying this new tool, which hints at a wider rollout coming soon for all users. Think of it as the perfect way to tell everyone what you do in the group, whether you're the admin, the meme king, or just the quiet observer who suddenly drops the best gifs. This addition marks another step in WhatsApp's ongoing effort to make group communication more organized, personal, and fun, because sometimes names alone just don't cut it. Get ready to tag, label, and finally know who's really in your WhatsApp groups. Your chats will never look the same again. So, what name are you giving yourself? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.